Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I am Jenny, and today we are redoing some furniture. I have a friend that asked me to redo a table for her because I have a sander and the equipment. So I have the table and I've done some of the sanding, but there is like 2 layers of paint that I need to get off. So I bought this to get the paint off, and we're gonna finish that up today. And then I just stopped at a garage sale on the way home from walking my dog and got 2 Pottery Barn pieces of furniture that are gorgeous. We are gonna sand those. Furniture redo today. Gloves first. Oh. So I've actually never used a stripper for paint before. We gotta shake well and then apply a thick layer to the area and wait 15 minutes. So let's do that. Here is the table, and as you can see, I have sanded the top of it. The bottom is not done, so we have to work on the bottom part. Let's get the paint off of it first. I don't think I opened this right already. Uh-oh. This is also a piece that I'm planning on redoing in the future, so that will probably be another video though. Wow, that's already coming off. That's crazy. All right, we'll let that sit for 15 minutes and then scrape it off, and hopefully it will be easier to sand. So this table is a Pottery Barn table that we literally just got from a garage sale for $30. It is awesome, but it just needs a little bit of love. I'll show you guys the top. So obviously there's some wear and tear on it, but it is real wood. It just needs a good little sand down and it will be perfect. Higher the number, the softer it is, like the less coarse, and the lower the number, the more coarse. I think for now, just so I don't ruin it, I'm gonna start with the 80 and be very light and gentle. This is the sander I use. It's very old. It's my mom's and I just borrowed it, but it works amazing. It's Bosch. I'm a big fan. You have to get these big sheets and cut them for it to fit on that, but it's so much worth it, and it is actually cheaper to do it this way. I had to go back inside for the scissors, but I got them, so here we go. I forget that I don't have to be in front of the mic to talk. I keep forgetting. We just got this new mic, so now I can like walk around and talk. Someone's calling me. Oh no, it's a timer. Stop. Okay, that is our timer for the table to scrape the table. Let's do that really quick, and then we will come back to this. I've never done this before, so I don't even know like how to start, but
let's start stripping.
You just kind of, it has multiple layers of paint, so we might have to do this twice. Maybe I should have put more. I'm gonna do a lot more.
Hey girl, you getting to work, ain't you?
I am. I gotta finish Vicky's table. Let's put this in here. Put it on like that and just kind of pull it through. Extra right here I can rip off. Before we start, we gotta put on our safety equipment. I've learned the hard way to wear glasses and wear this if you are sanding. Just be smart. No, don't be like how I was. I'm smiling under this mask. All right, let's go. I think we should check and kind of see what it's looking like without the dust. Oh yeah, this is gonna look great. I just need to get the edges a little bit better. I am excited. Let's continue. That is looking so dang good. I am excited. Let's come back to this one and see if the paint's gonna come off better now. Oh yeah, that is way better. Let's finish up this beauty. We don't have too much left. I need to turn on the side and finish like the bottom parts of some of the legs and the inside, and then do this part right here. But coming together really good. This was the end result. I definitely did not style it well at all. I kind of just threw everything on it, but I wanted to show you guys before I never finished the end of this video. So this is what the final result looks like. It's not perfect by any means, but it is so good in comparison, and I'm in love with it.